The Bitcoin dominance chart right now is currently crashing, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a chart on Link that could potentially send Chainlink to absolutely $150. So if you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn the notification bell on so you guys never miss a video. So before we have a look at the market right here, we need to have a look at Chainlink. Right now, Chainlink is currently sitting at $17.63, up for 5.4% in the last 24 hours. The market cap sitting right below $12 billion, guys. We are about to essentially explode. We know that in the last bull market, we did reach a market cap of approximately $22 billion. So we were approximately 2x. And we could see right here in terms of price, Chainlink, the all-time high was sitting at $51. So obviously slight inflation in the total supply. But pretty much that's about it, or circling supply, I guess you should say. Having a look at the whole crypto bubble, everything is looking pretty good. In the last month, Pengu, Bonk, XLM, HBAR, things are absolutely exploding. Chainlink is only up 36%. I believe that Chainlink is one of the next runner-up. I think that Chainlink could go sub $100 if this is an altcoin season. Now, how do we tell this is an altcoin season? Well, let's have a look at the EMA ribbons real quick. In order for us to have a proper altcoin season, before we have a look at Chainlink, we need to essentially have the Bitcoin dominance crashing. Now, keep in mind, the last time we had a fake out on the altcoin season was actually right here. And right here was back in October, November, December, right before President Trump became president. So now we are seeing Chainlink, or not Chainlink, the Bitcoin dominance coming down below these exponential moving average. And the big question is, are we going to be holding it? Because since 2022, the Bitcoin dominance kept on bouncing up and down on these EMA ribbon. Hence why we've been seeing a massive Bitcoin season and not really an altcoin season. So the big question is this just an altcoin rally, or is this real an altcoin season? Well, here we have a look right here at the Chainlink chart, obviously in a massive triangle. We're also going to be having a look right here at the EMA ribbon on the 4-hour time frame and on the 3-day time frame, because Chainlink right now is currently attempting to break out from a massive W pattern. We're going to be talking about that in just a second, but I do want to have a look right here on the monthly time frame first, and then we're going to be diving in on the shorter time frame. If this is the breakout, which in my opinion it is, because right here we did see a fake out. This was a fake out right here, a liquidity grab, of course, before coming back down and retesting this support region. In my opinion, I don't think we're going to go to the end of the triangle, because that would be at the end of 2025. I don't think we're going to consolidate and do something like that. I think we're going to break out very soon. What could the target be right here? Well, if I take the top of the triangle right here and I put it at the bottom and we put this at the breakout, now this gives us a price of $235 billion. Now, in my opinion, that is very doable. Sorry, not billion dollars, $235. The price right here of Chainlink is currently sitting at $17.56. I think that this can even go way above that by 2030, even 2035, in my honest opinion, not financial advice. Now, if we have a look right here on Chainlink on the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see that Chainlink on the 4-hour time frame, ever since we've been breaking out, ever since we pretty much broke out right here back on July 7th, we always came back down, retested, exploded. We're most likely going to come back down, retested, or the EMA ribbons are most likely going to come back up right here on the 4-hour time frame. So be careful. We did have a nice little breakout right here and a retest, which is of course very bullish. So we had a nice little W pattern right here, had a nice little breakout, came back down, retested, and then boom, exploded. By the way, if you guys are not in my Discord, people are absolutely printing on my Discord. You guys can see I am giving all of these for absolutely free. So if you guys want to print with us, if you are a trader, I'm building one of the biggest crypto trading community ever. I built this about a couple of days ago, and we already have 1,150 members on this, and people are absolutely going crazy on this trade. So if you guys are interested in joining, the link will be in the description below. Having a look right here at last but not least, the 30-minute time frame. Oh, sorry, the 3-day time frame. I'm speaking way too fast because I am very excited for Chainlink. You guys can see right here that Chainlink, the bullish thing is that we have not yet seen a green diamond. The last time we had a red diamond, Chainlink was going down, and we're a little bit bearish. And the last time we had a green diamond, Chainlink took it pretty much from $13 to as high as $31. In my opinion, this thing is going to go up even higher, because the second we get that green diamond, we are most likely going to explode, and a lot of people are going to get shocked. So not only are we above the POC level right here, which is the point of control, we are also in a nice beautiful W pattern. We do have a slight order block right here, but in my opinion, if we do break this level in the 3-day time frame, we are most likely going to see Chainlink retest this order block right here, which is probably going to be very hard to break. But assuming we are in a bull market, we should break it very easily. And if I take the top right here of this level of the W pattern, I put it at the breakout, you guys can see it would bring us all the way back to this level right here on Chainlink, which is of course one of the second level on the point of control of VPVR, because you guys can see right here, this is pretty low. There's not so much support or resistance right here, not a lot of volume, not a lot of people were trading. A lot of people were trading right here. You guys can see this thing is increasing, so there's a lot of action right here and a lot of action right here. So in my opinion, Chainlink should have some room to essentially go parabolic in the next few weeks and the next few days. In my opinion, the volume is also increasing right here. You guys can see on the 3-day time frame, and the 3-day time frame is ending in about 1 hour. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this follows up. But as long as the volume keeps on pumping and Chainlink keeps on going up, obviously this is going to be very bullish. And I believe that in 1 hour, we're most likely going to get the green candle. We're most likely going to get that green signal, which is most likely going to mean we should probably take it long. But I'm going to update you guys. If you guys want updates on my analysis, make sure you guys join the Discord, of course. And pretty much that's about it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more.